Father's Day was yesterday. My dad was born in 1912. Rheumatic and scarlet fever prevented him from graduating from high school. Dad worked mostly crappy jobs to support his family. Long before I was born, Dad worked for 10 years on a railroad as an engineer and conductor. He loved that job and would often tell stories of his railroad days. In listening to him tell his stories, among other things, I learned the importance of balancing what I wanted to do with what I must do to provide for my family. I lost my dad in 1987 and never thanked him for his example, and quite frankly, for putting up with me. So, if there's something you've been meaning to tell your dad that you haven't, tell him today. If your dad's passed on, tell your kids or your nephews or nieces or anyone in the family in the next generation. My name is E. Curtis Johnson. Father's Day is only a day late if we fail to pass on what our fathers taught us. Don't be a day too late.